Welcome back to Primetime News. We begin this segment in Manchester, where the state is again being slammed for reneging on a promise to assist farmers affected by heavy rains last year. We revisited New Forest in the parish, where the fields are blossoming once again. Janella Precious has that report.
Resilience in action. These farmers suffered major losses after heavy rains in 2020 destroyed their crops. It's been close to 5 months now, and things are looking up.
We have scallion, but it's not really ready yet still. Within the next 2 weeks, the scallion we're ready, and we have little beetroot, and it never comes so wonderful still, but we still not give up still. And we have some melon, 4 acres of melon. And little drought is still on it, but we not give up still because it depends on price too, and we want to catch the price too.
How did they do it?
Well, we buy some pipes and drips and stuff. The one them will last and replace them back, and them are run good so far still, but the water pressure not so heavy same way. But we just not give up, It take a lot out of our same way, man, and we just not give up same way, So we have to just hope for the best way we can get out of the farming, because I just say it go now. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. So we are work with it. We just not give up.
The money to revive this farm came from out of pocket. The farmers had been waiting to benefit from the over $600 million relief package announced by the government in response to the devastation caused by the rain.
Rather than do nothing for this community, because this right now, this in a New Forest, it's come like a food basket. I say everything left from Gov't market. But we never get nothing for rather, even a bag of fertilizer, if we say, boy. No help, none at all.
What could they do to assist you now?
Well, if I even look a seed, I want bag. If I even look a seed, I want bag of fertilizer. We are thankful for that. If you know, say we can go plant it and see what we can make off of it. I know, say we get something, but we do not get any help, none at all, none at all.
There are several farmers who are suffering because they don't have the resources to bounce back, as these farmers in section of New Forest have done. They have the water, so all they needed to do is put in some more work with personal funding to be at this point.
However, Member of Parliament for Manchester Southern, Robert Chin, is insisting that help is on the way.
The kind of assistance that I've given so far is mainly from the subvention that the government, in particular the Minister of Agriculture, had announced. The amounts that they are now being disbursed, finally.
But whether external help comes or not, these young farmers are determined to keep planting.
As a farmer, you win and you lose. And sometimes you really want to make a money, and so you really work at and where you really get out of it. So just don't give up, as me I tell you.